Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Jack's Magic O-Ring Lube. What is Jack's Magic O-Ring Lube? The Jack's Magic O-Ring Lube is a premium silicone-based lubricant that contains PTFE that effectively protects and preserves O-rings. This formula is non-toxic, odorless, waterproof, petroleum-free, and environmentally safe. The Jack's Magic O-Ring Lube is compatible with both rubber and plastic parts, and it is also chemically resistant, so it will protect O-rings, gaskets, and other rubber or plastic seals without degrading them. Product benefits: protects and preserves O-rings, waterproof and petroleum-free, odorless, non-toxic, and environmentally safe, rubber and plastic compatible. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.